Working principle of face coal ball press. Coal face ball press is mainly composed of motor, reducer, gear, roll, frame, housing, feeding device, bearing, pressure device, double discharge device, and so on. Coal face ball press equipment is through the reducer to transfer power to the two rollers at the same time and make the two rollers rotate opposite. In the rotation of the two rollers, the material naturally into the ball mold on the roller. With the rotation of the press roller, the pressure of the material becomes larger from small. When the material rotates to the line contact point of the two rollers, the pressure of the material reaches the peak. Under the action of huge pressure, the material becomes the finished ball from powder. After forming, the pellet depelleted under the action of surface tension and gravity. Our company has a full set of coal face ball press production line equipment and process flow for customers to test the machine.